Other than selling, what are the other important skills that entrepreneurs must have? Yeah. So you nailed it. The most important skill set is selling. But I would say the ability to take risks and not give a damn if everybody laughs at you if you fail. And as Eleanor Roosevelt said, they're going to criticize you anyway, so you might as well just do it. You got to tell yourself, I don't care what anybody else thinks. I'm going to be a thought leader. I'm going to go out my own, and I'm going to take a risk. But one of the other things you have to learn in business is finance and accounting. And a lot of business is common sense, but not finance and accounting. It's actually like a different language. And so you have to understand the basics of finance and accounting in order to be very successful in business. And I pride myself on teaching finance and accounting in a very fun way, using many props in my MBA degree program. So I would say that finance and accounting is another important skill set. Another skill set that's important is sales, marketing, and communications, which is another cornerstone of my MBA degree program. You have to be a great salesperson, not just in person, but also online. You have to be able to go to interviews online and talk about your business in an exciting way and hopefully try to humbly inspire other people. And you have to be able to take advantage of new social media platforms and existing ones to spread the word about your brand. YouTube is the only gold rush in history where it costs you nothing to make the product. And YouTube is also the only gold rush in history where you can get immediate access to billions of potential customers right away for free. And so I think you have to learn how to master social media skills. And I teach you how to use many different social media platforms the easy and smart way in my MBA degree program as well. And so that's marketing, right? And it's free. The old days of paying a fortune for to hire an advertising agency on Madison Avenue, like you saw in the TV show Mad Men, is behind us. You could do it yourself. Just make sure that you repurpose your own content, which is what I do.